So all the student today we are discuss you important topic National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority like a drug price control order in 2030. So in this topic we are discussing the introduction about the topic like a drug like a introduction by the these are topic like introduced by the central government in the order to exercise the power confirmed by the section 3 of Essential Come Duties Act in 1955. So for the enable the government to declare a ceiling price for the essential and life saving medicine like as the per is a prescribed formulation, so as to ensure that these medicine are the available at the responsible price to the general public. So in this act by the published by the central government in the 1955. So the latest drug price control order in DPCO like a drug price controller or drug price control order in 2030 by the issue on the government. So drug price are the monitored and controlled by the National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority, and all the power of the government are pricing according to a Essential Come Duty Act. So have been is it decide to it the under the DPCO like a Drug Price Control Act in 2030. So the power to a review and ensure with the central government. So the Department of the Pharmaceutical is the reviewing authority like a wherever the pharmaceutical company files a review or patent against and price reflection done by the NPPA like a National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority. So what is the NPP? PP like a National Pharmaceutical Pricing Policy? What is the main definition or what is the main function of the NPP? So in this policy is government price controller like a DPCO like a drug price control is the order by which price control is the enforced. So the drug price control order are the issued by the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. So which in the main nodal the main roles in the administration ministry for the pharmaceutical company. So they are the issue under the Essential Come Duty like Act in 1955. So whereby the certain medicine could be declared to a essential come duty. So what is the history of why are the need of this act? So in 1966 is a parliament member so left that the manufacturing charging so high rate on drug. So to a control on high drug rate, so DPCO like a drug price control order in 1966 was the passed under the section 3. So Essential Come Duty Act the 1955. So the main role of DPCO like a drug price control order in 1966 is replaced by the DPCO replaced like a 1970. So after some time, after some year in 1974 is a Hathi committee was the formatted and submitted its report in the 1975. So drug price control act by the 1970 is replaced by the act by the 1979. So again these act by the replaced by the 1987. So sometime these act by replacing by after some year like it was the starting in the 1955. So next one is the first time is replacing by the 1966. And again I will repeat, so it will be replaced by the 1970. So sometime some year, so 1977 Hathi committee was the formatted and submitted its report in the 1975. So again 1970 replaced by the 1975 and again 95 replaced by the 1979. So don't be confused. I will again repeat all the things. Firstly, in 1966 Parliament members that is manufacturing charging a high rate on drug. So it should be a need for the control on high rate drug. So it can be a published and introduce a new act. Firstly, it was be passed in the 1966 by passed under the section 3 of the essential commodity like a act by the 1955. So DPC like a drug price control order is replaced by the act by 1966 replaced by the DPCO again by 1970. So finally DPC is the main act like passed the 1995 replaced by the 2030. So it like a final act by passed by the center government in the pass by 2030. So main objective of this act like to achieve or educate production, to regulate equal distribution, to maintain an increasing in supply of blunt drug and formulation, to make these available at the fair price. So active pharmaceutical ingredient or blunt drug. So these are the product we can use in the drug controller. So main focus on these product like active pharmaceutical ingredient and as well as blunt drug. So main any pharmaceutical, chemical or biological or plant product like including its salt, ester, isomers, analogues and derivatives. So conforming to the pharmacopoeia standard by specialized in the Drug and Cosmetic Act in 1940. So and which is used as the such or as the ingredient in any formulation. Like a schedule blunt drug, like a main of the blunt drug is specified in the first schedule. So next one is the schedule formulation. So any formulation including in the first schedule, so whereas the referred to by the generic version or branded name like penicillin, tetracycline, rifampicin, streptomycin, ranitidine. So these are the drug under the act like schedule 1. So this schedule 1 is a blunt drug like penicillin, tetracycline, rifampicin, streptomycin, ranitidine, vitamin C. So these are drug or other drugs in the first schedule in like a blunt drug. So like what is the meaning of the branded drug? So mean a name of a term is a design symbol like a trademark or any other feature that by the identify or one seller that is the distribute from the those of other seller. So what is the difference between ceiling and branded? Like a ceiling price is a main fixed price by the government for the schedule formulation in the according with the provision of this order. So what is the dealer, distribution and generic version of the medicine? So first one is the generic version of a medicine like formulation is sold in the pharmacopoeia name and on the other hand the name of the active pharmaceutical ingredient containing in the formulation without any brand name. And dealer like mean a person carrying on the business of purchasing or selling of drug. So whereas the wholesaler or retailer and include his agent. So other hand the distributions like mean a person so engaged in the work of the distribution of a drug and including and the agent. So stockers or stocking drug for the resale to the dealer. So formulation. So it is a very important main like a formulation like a mean a medicine process out of containing one or more blunt drug with or without using of pharmaceutical aid for the internal or external use like a internally use or externally like a sometime a cosmetic product. So in the diagnosed treatment, mitigations and prevention of the disease in the human beginning and on the other hand like a prevention of the animals and treatment of sub animal disease. but it does not including like any Ayurvedic or Unani medicine, any homeopathic medicine, any substance to which is a provision of D and C Act. So in 1940 do not is apply. So local tax, why need for the local tax? So any tax accepted by exercise or important duty including in the retailer price or paid by payable to the government and as well as the state government or any local body under the law for the time beginning in the force by the manufacturing or agent or dealing. So maximum retailer price, why need for government the fixed retailer price, the maximum retailer price? So these selling price or retailer price is plus local tax. So and the duty is the applicable at which the drug shall be a solid to the ultimate consume. So whereas as such like a price in the mention on the pack. So pharma economic, why need for the economic and totally tax on the including like a economic. So specific in displaying that the comparing the therapeutic value on the pharmaceutical drug. So drug is therapeutic is another. So price to a retailer, like the price of the drug at which it is sold to a retailer. So which including a duty and does not including a local tax. So price of the blunt drug. Firstly, government has the right to fix the maximum sale price of the drug, and other hand, while is fixing the price, government shall take into the consideration following like a post-tax return of the 40% on a net worth and return of a 22 on the capital employee, and for new plant and rate of the return to a 12% based on the long term in margin tax. Like on the other hand, in the case of the production for basic state, like a post tax return of the 20% on the net worth and as well as 26 on the capital employed. So these are the price of the blunt drug. So next one is the provided a further that is the optimized and regarding to the rate of return. So exercise by the manufacturing shall be a final and no charging of the rate shall be made without imprisonment approval of the government. So no person shall be a sale a blunt drug. So at the price is exceeding. So maximum sale price is fixed as a per of the provision. So on this order is local tax is applicable. So information required from manufacturing to the government like a both schedule and non-scheduling blunt drug. So list of drug provided with the cost in the 1 and 2 reputed. So but for the schedule in the blunt drug it should given by the 30 September every year. So retailer price of the formulation like a formulation of the calculation like the retailer price, material cost and packing material cost, packing charging, exercise duty or maximum post and manufacturing pricing. So these are retailer price including in the manufacturing. So how do we calculate of the selling price of the schedule and formulation like average price to be retailer, like some price of the retailer of all brand or generic version. So all the medicine is having a marketed sharing like more than is equal to a 1% of the total market is the turnover. So on the basis of a moving in annual turnover of the that medicine. So total number of such brand or generic version of the medicine having is a marketed share more than equal to a 1% of the total market value. So turnover the basic of the moving annual turnover for that medicine. So these are the calculated by the selling price of a schedule or schedule formulation. So powder to a fixed retailer price of the schedule formulation, like a government it fix the retailer price for the schedule formulation or price is one fixed, cannot be a increased by the manufacturing without the approval from the government. So all these powers or fixed power on the blank drug and as well as a powder drug, like a other drug like a applicable for the version of a retailer price should be submitted in the form 3 or 4 form schedule, like a or form is a date of the accepted of the completed formulation. Government is a fixed retailer price within a 2 month. So government should be a fixed price of the government within the 2 month. So applicable in submitted in 30 September. So without in approval of a government, like a manufacturer should not be increase the retailer price of drug. Manufacturer should not be a marketed a new formulation. No person shall be a sale import schedule of formulation. So without government permission, person who cannot be a manufacturing and as well as a distribute of the drug. So firstly we need a permission of the government under the act of a 1955 or 2030 is the new final act of the drug control price. So firstly we need by the permission in government under the fill of the form 3 and 4, and government should be a decide the fixed retailer price within the 2 and 3 months. So next one is the power to a review of price of a blank drug and formulation. So government is fix or review a retailer price of a one or more formulation. So at the pre-tax return of the seller, so return over is does not by exceed maximum pre-tax, so return of the specified in the third schedule. So if any manufacturing of a blank drug is fail to be submitted and applicable for the fixing or review of the price or false of the given is information about the specified time period. So then government is fix the price of the blank drug. So power to a recover an overcharging amount, like a if any manufacturing or import charging so higher price, then the government should be a fix the accurate price. So then government may be a recover the overcharging amount. So how do a control of seller price of blank drug and formulation, like a no person or retailer shall sell the drug. So formulation to any customer at the increasing price specified in the current price. So list is indicated on the container label. So how do a sale of the split quantity of the formulation? So no dealer shall be a sale the loose quantity of the manufacturing so at a price is exceeding by the pro rate price of the formulation plus 5%. So how do a schedule release with a DPCO, like a drug price control order in 1995? So first schedule, like a first schedule including in 74 blank drug, like a penicillin, tetracycline, anagine, vitamin A, B1 and B2 and vitamin C and E or insulin, etc. So government is the first schedule in the passed by the 1995. So second schedule difference form including like a form 1. For why we need of for 1 or what is the use of form 1, like applicable for the fixing or